What's up, guys? Welcome to another beats making episode. It's your boy ST Music. In today's episode, we're gonna be making the trap soul type of beats in FL Studio. Without further ado, let's get started.
SSD on the console.
Alright, today we're working with 13 patterns. I'm going to start reviewing the beats from the pattern section, clicking on the solo button. First of all, let's turn off the effects on the master track. On pattern 1, we have the sub bass. Played using Toxic Biohazard. On pattern 2, we have a kind of a support melody for the main melody. That's just what's in there. It sounds great in context. On pattern 3, we have the pad. Just need to envision your sound. Once you can do that, you can actually play it out. It's very easy. This pad melody, we have two versions of it. I think this one was used as one time to create a variation on the beat. Sounds good. I love it. On pattern 4, we have the main melody of the beats. This was played using Citrus. That's great. On pattern 5, we have a kind of a background melody slash pad. Just plays through the track. On pattern 6, we have the hi-hat playouts played using FPC. For those of you that don't know how to use FPC, you can check my previous video. On the next pattern, we have a kick and the snare played together at one point in the beat. Right, all that's coming from the FPC. I just rack them up so that I can easily pick them up, personalize them, and use them directly on my beats. The next pattern we have is another variation of the kick and the snare. That's great. Then we have a sine bass that was played at one time in the beat. Sine bass was played using Nexus. Then we have a moog bass also to create more variation in the beats. That's good. Then we'll have the 808 play out. Last but not the least is this automation clip. The Fruity Love Filter automation clip. If you look at the playlist, you will see that some part of the beats was automated using the Fruity Love Filter to control the wave or to control the beats. Great. Now let's move on to the arrangement section where it all comes together.
SSD on the console.
So also I'm using some FX. But I reverse it to the other side without using the stretch, so it keeps the sound but makes it weird. And this one sounds similar. I think at one point I had to drop a crash on it. Yeah, that's it. And also I have this weird range sound on it at one point. Just to make it feel like it's in a movie. And this one, yep. And I have this SD music stuff on it.
SD on the console.
And this, yeah, that stuff. Still don't know what that's called, but I like it. Okay, moving on.
SSD on the console.
One of the instrument, but the beat's gonna be the link to download the beat is gonna be at the description, so you can download the full beat and listen to it if you're interested. Alright guys, this is where we draw the curtains. Don't forget to smash up the like, smash up the like, smash up the like. Share the video with your friends that needs it. Till I see you next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and peace.
SSD on the console.